You have it? All right, ladies and gentlemen, the Best of the Taste Award for the 2011 21st Annual Taste of Marco. The winner of Best of the Taste Award goes to Chefs Express. They were the strawberry shortcake people. Again, Best of the Taste of Marco, Chefs Express.
I'm like that, I know. Oh, man. Yay! That's our team! We added one.